So today we will study. Today our topic is nth term of AP or general term of an AP. The formula of general term or nth term. First nth term or general term is represented by an, and formula is an equals to a plus n minus 1d, where d is the common difference, a is the first term, and n which term of AP, like 10th term, 11th term. So if a and d is given and we want to find 10th term of an AP, so we will substitute the value of n here. So a10 becomes a. So when we put n as 10, 10 minus 1d, so 10 minus 1, 9. So a10 can be written as a plus 9d. So if value of a and d is given, we will substitute here, we will get the 10th term of any AP. Similarly, a6, we want to represent sixth term in terms of a and d. So a6 equals to, apply the general term formula, substitute n as 6, so 6 minus 1. So a6 equals to a plus 5d. Same way, if we want to present third term, we want to find third term anywhere. So we apply the general term formula a plus 2d. Okay. Keep in one thing, if you check this expression like a10 equals to a plus 9d, a6 equals to a plus 5d, and a3 equals to a plus 2d. The coefficient of d is 1 less than the position. Okay, if you are finding 10th term, coefficient of d is 9. If you are finding 6th term, coefficient d is 5. So for example, I want to find the 11th term. So a11 equals to a plus 10d. So directly also we can apply this logic. Okay. So now we will solve an example. If the first term of the AP is 6 and common difference is 4, find the 10th term of the AP. So A is 6, D is 4, and N is 10. General term formula is AN equals to A plus N minus 1D. We want to find the 10th term. So A10 equals to A plus 10 minus 1. A10 equals to A plus 9D. We substitute the value of A and D. So D was 4. First you will multiply. So 9 4s are 36. 30 plus 6, 36 plus 6, 42. So 10th term of this AP is 42. Please note down the formula and the example, or you may take screenshot. So in same AP, if we want to find the 12th term, so again apply the general term formula. So a12 equals to a plus 11d, substitute the value of a and d, so you will get 12th term. So 12th term is 50. So same thing, if you want to find 20th term anywhere, so a20 equals to a plus 19d, just a plus 19d. Just keep this thing in mind that coefficient of d is 1 less than the position. So a15 equals to a plus 14d, a19 equals to a plus 18d. How this 18 comes? So when you substitute the value of n as 19, 19 minus 1, 18d. So today we have discussed the general term formula of an AP, that is an equals to a plus n minus 1d. And this formula will be used in full access 5.2. So 5.2, first question, first part. Fill in the blanks, few terms are given and one thing is missing. So in first question, A is given 7, D is given 3, N is given 8. So an we want to find. So apply the formula of an equals to a plus n minus 1d. Substitute the value of a, that is 7. Substitute the value of d, that is 3. Substitute the value of n, that is 8. First solve the bracket. So 8 minus 1, 7. 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 7, 28. So 8th term of this AP is 28. Then second part. In second part, A is given minus 18, N is given 10, and AN is given 0. Nth term is given 0. In this concept, we want to find D. So an equals to 0, apply the formula of an, a plus n minus 1, d equals to 0, substitute the value of a, substitute the value of d, okay. So substitute the value of a, substitute the value of n. So minus 18 plus 9d equals to 0. Minus 18 was transferred to this side. 9 is the coefficient of d. So d is equals to 18 divided by 9. So d is equals to 2. So value of d has come to. Note down the sums. Now fifth part. In fifth part, A is given 3.5, D is given 0, N is given 105. We have to find an equals to A plus N minus 1D. Substitute the value of A, N and D. So value of A 3.5, value of N 105, value of D 0. First solve the bracket, so 104, 104 into 0, 0. So nth term has come 3.5. This N is not coefficient of A. So don't write this n as coefficient of A. Write this n very small and at the down the position of A. Be careful how you write an. Okay, like this way we write an. Okay. So an equals to a plus n minus 1d. Now second question. So second question is multiple choices given. They are given an AP 10, 7, 4. And in this question, they want to find the 30th term and 4 choices are given. So first we write down the AP, we identify A, that is first term, then we find common difference. About common difference, we are done in exercise 5.1. So second term minus first term. So common difference has come minus 3. We apply the general term formula A30 equals to A plus 29D. Substitute the value of A, substitute the value of D. First we multiply. So 30th term has come minus 77. And that was option C. So option C is the answer. Then third question. So in third question, few terms are missing. So in first question, first term was given, third term was given, and second term is missing. So first term as A1, second term as A2, third term as A3. So here we use one logic. If A, B, C, A, comma B and C are three terms of an AP, then the middle term is average of first term and the third term. If second term is, we want to find the second term, then the second term is average of first and third term. So B is equals to A plus C upon 2. So same logic we can find here. So A2 is equals to A1 plus A3 divided by 2. So 26 plus 2, 28, 28 upon 2, 14. So second term is 14. Okay. So we can use this logic when three terms of an AP are given. We want to find the middle term. Now in second part. So in second part, first term is missing, third term is missing. So A1 first term, A2 second term, A3 third term, A4 fourth term. So second term is 13, fourth term is 3. So we know A2 is equals to 13. So here we can apply general term formula. We apply that A plus n minus 1D. In this case, n is 2. So this expression becomes A plus D is equals to 13. This is our first equation. Then A4 equals to 3. Apply the general term formula. A plus 3D equals to 3. This is the second equation. So whenever in any AP question two terms are given, you will get equation like this. Then these are two equations. This concept we have done in chapter 3. So now we apply elimination method and find the value of D. So subtracting equation 1 from 2, change the sign of lower equation. So value of D has come minus 5. Value of D has come minus 5. So after finding value of D, we will find the value of equation, we will find the value of A. For that, we will substitute this value of D in equation 1. So we have substitute the value of A has come 18. Now we want to find the third term. So apply the general term formula A plus 2D. Substitute the value of A and D that we have found first. So A3 is 8. Okay, third term has come 8. For more logic, we can also use to find the term. We can also add D to the previous term to get the next term. As second term was given, D also have. So in second term, if we add D, you will get the third term. Okay. Now fourth part. First term is given, sixth term is given, and the remaining terms are missing. So A1 equals to A, apply the general term formula, A6 equals to A plus 5D, substitute the value of A, value of D has come. So then we apply the general term formula, A2 means A plus D, substitute the value of A and D, so A2 is minus 2, same way third term is 0, same way we then apply the general term formula, A4 equals to A plus 3D, so fourth term is 2, A5 is equals to minus 4. Okay, now fourth question. In fourth question, the AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and it continues. Then they ask whether 78 is a term of this AP or not. So whichever term we want to identify, that is 10th term, 11th term, that term we suppose as AN. So AN equals to 78, apply the general term formula, substitute the values, open the bracket, so N has come 16. That means 78 is 16th term of the AP. So please note down these sums or take a screenshot. So AP was given, then they ask which term is which 78 is which term of AP. Okay, so we apply this, in this case we suppose the term as AN. So apply the formula of AN, A plus N minus 1D, substitute the value of A and D, solve it, and from there we get the value of N. So 78 is 16th term of the AP. Now fifth question. In fifth question, AP is given 7, 3, 19, daughter 205. 205 is the last term of this AP. And then they ask how many terms are in this AP. So the last term becomes AN. We substitute AN equals to 205. A is 7, D is 6. AN becomes AN is 205. Apply the general term formula. Substitute the values, solve it, open the bracket. So N has come 34. That means there are 34 terms in this AP. So in this topic, today we have studied general term formula AN equals to A plus N minus 1D. So if we want to find 30th term, we put n 30, we got A plus 29D. So somewhere it is said that fifth term is 10. So we can write A5 equals to 10 and then A5 written as plus A plus 4D. And then by this concept we can solve. Okay. So if two equations are given like in this sum, if two terms are given, then two equations you will get and then you can solve and find A and D. So this way we can find any term of the AP. Be safe. Be careful about your health and do your homework side by side. Thank you.